Shenzhen iStarVideo Technology Company Limited, founded in 2014, located in Shenzhen, is a high-tech IoT company focusing on cloud-based video telematics. Being with more than 80 engineers, we have been keeping the development of the newest cloud vehicle camera solution to cater for the market needs. Our factory has 6 production lines with more than 130 workers, and the monthly production volume of vehicle camera is 60,000 pieces. LTE Dash Camera, 4G GPS tracker, rear mirror, and the other vehicle tracking system are our main products with the advantage of platform integration, software and hardware customization. We have been helping end user to reduce the accident rate with the installation of DMS and ADAS camera and helping insurance company to supply the video evidence. Our products are being sold to more than 20 countries in the world and mostly applied for cars, trucks, containers, and different kinds of transportation vehicles, as well as insurance field. In the coming future, we will continuously launch 4G and 2K, 4G and 4K, and the newest dash camera solution. We always think what our customer needs and what market trends. We have been giving very fast delivery. We expect more and more partners to join with us.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.